Magbi-beef sinigang tayo. Pakuluan muna natin yung ating beef para matanggal yung kanyang dumi. Pakuluan lang natin ng isa. Saka natin ilalagay sa pressure cooker para mabilis lumambot. Yan, tingnan natin. Yan, kumulo na siya. Patayin na natin at hugasan natin para matanggal yung kanyang dumi bago natin ilagay sa pressure cooker. Ito na yung bakang pinakuluan natin ng isa. I-pressure cooker na natin. Tingnan natin yung ating pressure cooker. Ayan. Okay na siya. Ayan, okay na siya. Balik natin mamaya. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa ating sinigang na beef. Sibuyas, kamatis, ayan, labanos, okra, sitaw, tangkay ng okra, sabaw ng sinaing, pampaasim nating nor, patis, gabi, talong, mamaya ko na hihiwain para hindi mangitim. Ayan, dahon ng kangkong at panigang na siling green. Ito na yung ating buto-buto ng baka. Ilagay natin yung ating kamatis at saka sibuyas. Durugin lang natin yung ating kamatis. Takpan natin. Check natin. Ayan, medyo durog na yung ating kamatis. Lipat uli natin sa ating pressure cooker. Lipat natin sa ating pinagpakuluan para mapalambot natin mabuti. Lipat natin. Lagyan natin. Takpan natin.
I know, that must have been a bug. It was this card. Alright, are you ready now? I need to come up with another. Okay, so I need it back. Okay, so the other thing.
Malambot na yung ating gabi.
Oh my gosh, I'm missing it. No! Dude, just took another one. Okay, we just snagged one of the better ones that he had.
Malambot na yung ating buto-buto.
Don't mind if I grab. Nope, that's the wrong one. I almost just snagged a really bad one.
Lagay natin yung ating talong.
No! Diddle hit him! Diddle hit him! Diddle hit him! Oh my gosh.
Ayan, lagay na natin yung ating mga gulay.
I'm such an idiot. Why am I grabbing this piece of food? What even is this?
Diddle, can you please help me? I'm serious. You've done literally nothing except sabotage me. You're spinning the wheel. You're spinning the wheel.
You wanted me to be the middleman. I didn't know what to do. You didn't explain what you wanted me to do. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Oh my god. Okay, okay. What I want you to do is hit this guy whenever I take his. Yeah.
You're supposed
Hintayin
to
natin
trade
uling
with him,
kumulo.
though.
Oh no. Keep in mind that you
Ay, kumukulo na siya.
This isn't anything. Yeah. He has no idea what's happening. No? He
Lagay na natin yung ating siling panigang at dahon ng kangkong.
This low-key would make them rage quit. You're not
Lagay
even
natin
playing,
yung
and you're just sitting.
ating panigang. Lagay natin yung ating panigang. Ayan. Off na natin. Takpan natin at yan maluluto sa init. Ayan, luto na.
I froze myself.
This is insane. Oh my gosh.
Luto na.
I have an idea. I'm going to freeze them and then use an RPG. So I need you to freeze them, and I'm gonna RPG them on
Okay. Freezing? Do you want me to freeze? Frozen. I missed. You know what? I think that's a great plan. I'm gonna jump off the map so we can do that. I will sacrifice myself.
Dude, this would be insane. If we could get both of them, can you freeze 2 people at the same time?
Yes. Look at that.
Dude, there's no way.
Ayan ang ating sinigang na buto-buto na baka.
It's trying so hard, dude. I feel bad. I would hate this if I was playing against it.